If you've been copy-pasting the same header onto every page, I have good news for you. You never have to live like that again. Today, we are diving into master pages and sections, the features that separate amateurs from people who sleep soundly knowing all their pages match. Let's automate your consistency designer style. Master pages are templates that apply shared elements, like logos, grids, or header, to multiple pages at once. Instead of editing every page manually, you edit the one master and the layout updates everything that uses it. Think of it as a puppet master of your document. Pull one string and the rest falls in line. You should see your pages and master pages on the left side of the layout. If you don't see it, go to Window, then Layout, and here you see Pages. Click on that. Now, on the left side, you see your pages and your master pages. Right now, we don't have any master pages here, but let's make one. In the page panel, click a little menu icon and choose Add Master Page. It's here. It's this page with the plus symbol here. Click on this. This window pops open. Give it a name that's understandable for you and what this master page does. Let's do guide and page number. You can change your margins here, your orientation if you need. If not, click OK. Now double click on your new master page. First, it looks similar to your regular page, but let's change it and see the magic happen. Drag and drop your master page on your page. And you see, now you can see your grid and your page number. And page numbers are automatic. So if you gonna add some more pages, let's number of pages, let's do 5. You can even say here, does your new pages come before or after page 1? Well, we want after. And OK. And now if you look, everything is numbered. Maybe for full page pictures, you want a different master page, your ad spaces, everything that you have to change otherwise manually. You can do master page and then you can just add it to your page. And if you want to know more about master pages, then click on the video at the end of this video and it directs you right to the master page. And now let's talk a little bit about sections. These control page numbers and unique chapter formatting. To open it, go to your pages, right click it and start new section. Click on that. This window pops open and here you can say what page this section starts, how the numbering goes. You can give it a section number and you can even change the numbering here. So let me show you. Let's do 2 sections. So start on page 1, start page numbering at first, it's okay. And let's give it a name. Let's something simple here first. And close. Now everything on this page is section 1, but we wanted the second section 2. So let's go to the let's go where we want the next section start. Right click it, start a new section. Now it already says start on page 4. Now you have different options here. You can continue page numbering. So this means after 3 comes 4, or you can restart page numbering. That means if you click on that, you can say that your new section starts with number 1. And here you can actually change the number style. For these tutorial purposes, let's do letters, capital letters, yes. And let's give it a name. and close. And now, like you can see on the first section, it's 1, 2, 3, and now the second section, there's gonna be letter A, B, and C. Sections are also what your table of content uses to show names. So it's a good idea to keep them labeled nicely because that helps you later. You've just automated half your design workflow. Next time, we'll explore grids and guides, how to stop eyeballing alignments and start designing with precision. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. And remember, one good master page can save you hundreds of bad clicks.